Oh, Cameron.
Yes, Sarah?
Your twin brother would never road trip with me.
Our love can take us anywhere.
But there is something that you should know. My car warranty. It's expired.
This is a road trip of deceit.
Sorry to interrupt, but you need to call CarShield before your car breaks down. Plans include coverage on over 5,000 parts and systems, and big ones too, like your engine, transmission, air conditioning, and a lot more. Drivers who call could save thousands.
We could drive without a care in the world.
Plus, every plan includes benefits like unlimited miles, nationwide roadside assistance, and more.
CarShield would do that for me?
Or anyone that calls.
Well, then CarShield is my one true love.
A lot of drivers love CarShield. Just don't forget to call before a breakdown.
I will call CarShield.
Call now before a breakdown. 800-579-6554.